Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and from what I've heard, YouTube's most trusted window and door video channel. So hey, if you're a manufacturer of windows and or doors, let me tell you what's going on. I could really use your help. So, I carry over a dozen brands of products like Andersen, Marvin, Windsor, Amsco, etc. And of course, we've done product reviews on those. And we try to be, and I think we do this well, we try to be fair, honest, and transparent with our viewers. Now, we get a lot of people who go to our YouTube channel and they say, hey, what do you know about the Softlight? What do you know about Oak-No? What do you know about the Marvin Essentials product? Or they go down a long list of something that's maybe original in their area, and of course I have to answer, I don't know. I can't give an honest opinion about that. So if you'd like for us to feature your product in a fair, transparent, and honest way and talk about your brand, talk about your company, talk about who you are, I guess what I'm saying is if you're proud of your product, we'd love to have a sample. So reach out to me. Go to jeffslist.com. Fill out that contact form. I'll get back to you. We'd love to feature your product. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.